Hello everyone. Today we use a MOBA small tank to weld. Our little tank it slowly moves to the target workpiece. Then open the camera cover and scan the weld position. After scanning, start welding up and down. Its path is planned is to weld one by one after scanning. Or scan and weld all at once. When it is welding, will be displayed on the central screen. The current execution, the control of the car, we use the control system. Okay, now it's welded. Let's take a look. The weld seam is also quite uniform.